As we stroll through Manila, I'm joined by my son, by team members, and also some of their family as we get this tour of this incredibly beautiful city that is steeped in tradition and steeped in history. To the past and the future come together to create a metropolis that is growing and expanding and really looking forward to this century. When you consider that it was built in the 1600s. Oh yeah, you can see the gate over there.
Yeah, that's the original gate.
That is not wrong. You mind going over there?
Yeah.
So this is at kind of the downtown area in Manila. This is a lot of this was built in about the 1600s, so it's been around a long time, longer than the U.S. has even been a nation. So it's a lot of history, incredible, this architecture and a lot of work that went into making this place absolutely an incredible historic landmark in Manila. Additionally, there is the historic part of Manila that are really incredible to see. Today, we're going to be looking at Fort Santiago. This is a place that is been around for centuries. It was first built in 1571 by the Spaniards. It's been part of it has been burned. It has been taken by different countries at certain points, but this has a lot of history here for the people of the Philippines. This looks like an old cannon piece. You can see all of the kind of marks on it. This is where they painted the area. Fort Santiago also has a moat around it, full of water, that helped protect the fort from anyone trying to breach the walls. It's really amazing to see the work, the artwork, when you're looking from the inside to that toward the outside of the gate, and as you get to the outside, and there's really not a lot there, but very, very detailed art on the inside of the gate, and it's still incredibly well preserved after all these years. Getting a car to pick us up. Where do you guys usually go on your rides?
Inside the Intramuros. Inside the Intramuros.
Oh, okay.
This one, inside the Intramuros.
So you go in...
This one? Inside? No?
You go...
We're not allowed to go inside.
Oh, okay. And how long does it usually take?
It usually takes 30 to 45 minutes for every tour.
Okay. How many tours do you guys do a day generally?
This one has a maximum of 6 persons.
Oh, okay. That is pretty neat. And what does it cost to go on a tour?
It's 1,000 pesos for an hour. For an hour. Yeah.
Pesos for an hour. That's
and it's a fixed rate for 1 hour. But if you maximize your 1 hour, you have to add there's an additional fee.
Oh, if you go one longer than 1 hour. And how much is that?
If you accumulate 30 to 45 minutes, it is also 1,000.
Okay, so it's additional 1,000.
Yeah.
So it becomes 2,000 pesos.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
If
What's
you
your
have-
name?
My name is Arsen.
Arsen. He's recording there, yeah. And so, how long have you been doing this, Arsen?
Oh, I'm just a body guide. I'm not
You're
I'm
not the tour
driver.
guide.
Yeah. I'm an accredited tour guide, but I don't have an ID.
Oh, okay, and how long until you get your accreditation?
My accreditation was last year, December 30, but I don't. I cannot pick up my ID because I have a work here.
So you need to get time off
Yeah.
to go get it, huh?
I need a time to go get my ID.
Okay. Were you raised here in Manila?
Yeah, I'm born and raised here in Manila.
Okay. And so how long have you been doing like what you're doing right now with tour guiding?
For about 2 years.
Okay.
But I got accredited last year.
Well, congratulations on getting accredited. So you're going to be able to drive these
Yeah,
pretty soon.
I'm able to drive this one, but I'm not a member of the organization.
Okay, so you have to be a member of the organization before you can do the tours.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully that happens soon.
Thank you.
So, very nice talking with you. Well, very nice meeting you, Arsen, and nice
Nice to meet
talking
you
with
too.
you, and
My pleasure.
congratulations. Take
Thank you.
care.
Bye. Thank you.
What's your horse's name?
His name is Franco.
Franco?
Yeah.
Hey, Franco. Thank you, Arsen.
sir.
Appreciate it. You take care.
The Explorer Esquire is sponsored by southwestlegal.com. If you or a family member are facing legal problems in the state of California, give Southwest Legal a call at 760-922-5051. The 800 number is 888-922-5051. Also, you can reach Southwest Legal on the World Wide Web at southwestlegal.com.
The Rizal Park in Manila, and it's in honor of Jose Rizal, and it's kind of an interesting thing. He was executed in 1896 on December the 30th, and then you also see some of the revolution begins to take place as people begin to revolt, and so an interesting place that he has in the Filipino history. This is the Chinese gardens that we're getting ready to go into.
Today there is a memorial that reenacts the execution, and as you approach and you view this memorial, you realize the weight that goes with that and the cost that Rizal paid and his family paid to help ignite this revolution that ultimately freed the Philippine people from centuries of Spanish rule.
Now, are you in college right now? Oh, you're working. What kind of work do you do? Oh, you work at the mall. Which mall?
What mall? What mall?
Oh, okay. Okay, and what kind of work do you do?
I'm a student,
Oh, what are you studying?
college,
What are you studying?
press and marketing.
Are you in college or high school?
Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Entrepreneurship, business.
Oh, wow. Excellent. Excellent.
I'm second year high school. College.
Second year of college. That is fantastic. Neat place to visit, huh? Are you guys have been friends a long time? Look, very nice. Very nice.
Birthday! Birthday, celebrate.
Oh, do you want us to sing happy birthday to you? Are you ready? Here we go. Ready? Are you guys? Okay, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. What? You mind me asking? How old you are? 20? 24 years old. Well, congratulations on that. That is neat. Wish you the best. Very nice meeting you guys. You have a wonderful birthday. Are they taking out for cake tonight? You guys take care.
Subscribe you on YouTube.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. See, and I messed up on that, and so what's your name? Alex was nice enough to do us another one up, and now we're getting ready to head to Port-au-Prince.